Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover Senorita songs in guitar tabs. So for this song we just need two strings, that are E string and B string. And if you are an absolute beginner, so I'll suggest you not to look for songs that you can play in just one string, that is your E string, because we have 6 string. And if you are learning it seriously, so you should learn to play all six, like use it all 6 strings, right? So let's see how it goes. And I'm going to cover 2 strings, and this is also a good exercise for beginners. So if you are writing the tabs or even taking the screenshot, so make sure that whatever exercises you are covering on a daily basis to learn the fretboard, or to understand the gaps between it, between it, to increase your, let's say, speed on fretboard, to add this exercise to, or say this song tabs, song tabs too, because it's also a kind of exercise. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so that's how we need to play it. And yeah, and also see, one thing is, when you play it, okay, so you should understand the use of proper, it's not like I'm using my index finger here, and then when I'm doing this, say if I'm doing this, now I need to go to fifth fret. Okay, so I'm not doing this, instead of doing this, what I'm doing, I'm using these 2 fingers here. Okay, so this part will be covered by these 2 fingers, while whatever things I'm playing here, so it will be covered by my forefinger, or say index finger. Okay, so you can see it here. So you can see I covered my this E5 and D5 both with my forefinger. So keep these basic things in your practice. Okay, and also before playing these tabs, I will suggest you to listen the song at first, because we need to understand the gaps between each and every word. Okay, even when we play that ooh la la word, okay, so we should understand the gap between it. So make sure to listen it properly, and then try to practice whatever tabs I am going to put in screenshot, or say like tab format. So yeah, you can either take the screenshot of it, or even you can note it down, or so yeah, just keep on practicing it. And just that's it for the day. And in my coming video, I will be covering Kahani Suno tabs complete song I have told in my last video. Other than this, we will be switching on to learning a few chords for like beginners, basic chords. And we will also be keep on covering songs in tabs, guitar tabs, because when we are in the beginning phase, not a lot of beginners try to start singing, playing chords with singing. So they used to look for say songs, or that they can play in tabs. Okay, so we will be focusing on tabs also, but we'll be learning chord sideways, and we will also be covering some songs. Like if I talk about this E major, okay, so we can cover a few songs with E major. We can learn some strumming pattern, and we can do it too. So we will just do everything. So there are a few strumming pattern. Okay, and there is one more. So it's in that different songs are there. So I'll just make you learn it also. So it's like it will be down, then help you in how to switch your chords. Okay, so for beginners it used to take time, but still I'll share some tips that you can focus on, and within 1 week you can improve a lot while switching your chords. So yeah, that's all about the day. So I hope you like this video, and do practice that Senorita song, and also don't miss your basic exercises. So just yeah, that's it about the day. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye.